News tonight, a new federal lawsuit claims Detroit Mayor Mike Duggan is violating the rights of a neighboring school district. He's accused of blocking ads on DDOT buses aimed at luring Detroit students to River Rouge. 7 Action News reporter Simon Chowdhury is digging into the dispute.
The River Rouge School District has been advertising in the city of Detroit using billboards like this. They were using DDOT buses, but no more.
We're just not going to stand there and allow anyone to bully us to tell us that we can't.
Dr. Derek Coleman has been the superintendent of River Rouge Schools since 2012. That's also the year the school started an ad campaign on DDOT buses and on billboards in Detroit.
We attracted families that are in desperate need of something different.
He says it worked with enrollment going up.
Grown by 120%.
In July, they were ready to roll out new posters on DDOT buses after working with ad agency Outfront Media.
To find out on the eve of your campaign that something you have been planning for months is no longer going to happen.
Why was it stopped? He says Mayor Mike Duggan wanted only Detroit public schools to advertise on DDOT buses. I said, prove it.
We have an email that had multiple recipients on it.
He showed us this correspondence with an account executive with Outfront Media stating their team was told by a DDOT representative that the Detroit mayor wanted to run only DPS ads on buses.
We believe that it's our First Amendment right to be able to advertise.
It's no secret that more students in a district can lead to more funding for the schools. Dr. Coleman is now suing Mayor Duggan, Outfront Media, and DDOT. The interim DDOT director sent us a statement saying, in part, the claims made in this complaint are utter nonsense. The mayor never gave such directive regarding River Rouge schools or any other advertiser. The district continued their ad campaign on billboards and online, but Dr. Coleman says they are losing future students now that they can't advertise on DDOT buses.
We would like to be compensated for whatever the loss in enrollment and potential damages.
We reached out to the mayor's office, but he is not commenting on the lawsuit. But we were told that back in August, the city decided to end its contract with Outfront Media starting by the end of this year, and they will no longer advertise on DDOT buses. In Detroit, I'm Simon Chowdhury for 7 Action News.
Simon, thank you. Simon also reached out to the account executive from Outfront Media who sent the email to the superintendent, but we haven't heard back yet.